Imam Ahmad, he said this, read it on the person who is dying, because when the person is dying, when the soul is leaving the body, with Surah Yasin, the soul leaves the body easier. Yes, subhanallah, because Imam Ahmad narrated this. He said, my teachers taught me this. There was a Sahabi, a companion, who that companion was dying, reaching the last breath, but still alive. And then one of them, another Sahabi said, anybody read Yasin? Anybody knows Yasin? Read it on him. And when he reached to the verse 40, that man died. And he said, it's becoming easier on him. So you read it for the dying person. That's for sure. There's no different opinion about that. The person who's dying. Have you seen somebody dying? Right? Read it. And you don't know, open the Quran writer.